Don't shake, shake the sensory bottle. Watch the glitter go full throttle. Swirl it left and swirl it right. Sparkles dancing in the light. Calm and quiet, soft and slow. Watch the magic as it flows. Pour the water, add some glue. Dropping beads of red and blue. Add some stars and rainbow shine. Mix it up, it's so divine. Twist the cap and seal it tight. Now it's ready, pure delight. Tip it over, let it glide. See the colors move and slide.